Okay, hello student. As you know, only some part of this chapter discovering the Tutta saga continues is left. So I'm going to complete that part. So as you know in my earlier video, as I told you that how CT scanner took the images of Tutt's body and what happened next, how he had been taken to the site of scanning and how much time was taken for this scanning and how he came back to his resting place again. Now, after keeping Tuj's body in that grave, the technicians came back to the trailer and pulled up astonishing images of Tut on computer screen. Okay, on computer screen there were amazing pictures of Tut's body. Grey hair took shape from a grey hair took shape from a scattering of pixels. There were small pictures or pixels of his pictures. They were scattering means बिखरे हुए थे and after assembling them a grey head took shape. Okay, a grey head took shape when these small images were scattering images were assembled. A grey head took shape and the technician spun and tilted it in every direction. Okay, from all directions his head was inspected. Okay, analyzed. The technician spun it, tilted it in all directions. Okay, it was moved in all direction and spun also, घुमाया गया, मोड़ा गया in all directions. Neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in an anatomy class. His backbone, okay, neck vertebrae जो होती है पीछे गर्दन के पीछे वाली जो वो होती है backbone, it was appearing as clear as it is being shown in an anatomy class. Other images were also there and these images revealed a hand, several views of rib cage and a transaction of the skull. Okay, the skull was analyzed by, there were so many technicians, radiologists and CT scanners and all, forensics, anatomy, like all. But for now the pressure was off. Okay, as they were thinking that there is some what happened with him and if there is some problem, if he faced some other problem, but their pressure was off. Okay, the technicians and the radiologist and forensics, the person who were professionals, their pressure was off. Sitting back in his chair, okay, there was a committee of all these persons. So Jahi Hawass was also part of these men. He smiled, visibly relieved. Okay, he was seeming relieved. And then he declared that nothing had gone seriously wrong. Okay, as he was thinking there must be some serious thing, there was nothing. I didn't sleep last night. Okay, he told that he could not sleep last night because he was having that what will happen. But everything was okay. And he said, he added this also that he was so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. Okay, what he said? That he was thinking that what will happen, but now because last night he could not sleep properly, So he said that now I think I will go and sleep. It means he was tension free. There was no tension. What happened? Is there any serious thing? Nothing was there. By the time we left the trailer, descending metal stairs to the sandy ground. Okay, after that, all the team members left the trailer where scanner was kept. They came down from metal stairs to the sandy ground. As you know, there was sand all around. Now the wind had stopped. As you know, when Tuj's body was taken out of the grave, there was a lot of dust and dirt. Okay, it seems as the dust devil is stirred up. Okay, wind was the at that time the wind stirred up ghostly dust devils. Okay, when King Tut was taken from his resting place. But now, when he was again kept properly there, the wind had stopped. The winter air lay cold and still like death itself in the valley of the departed. The winter air was just cold and still. Okay, the atmosphere was shant एकदम एंड इट वॉज लाइक डेथ इटसेल्फ. जैसे बेटे किसी की डेथ हो जाती है एकदम शांति होती है. सो इट वॉज द सीन इन द वैली ऑफ द डेथ डिपार्टेड. वैली ऑफ द डिपार्टेड वॉज द प्लेस वेयर द किंग्स ऑफ इजिप्ट वर वरीड. Okay, it was the place for the means burial ground for the kings of Egypt. Just above the entrance of Tut tomb stood Orion. Okay, just above. As you know, Tut's grave was in a chamber under the ground, 26 feet under the ground. So when it was entrance of Tut's tomb, there stood an Orion. Orion is बेटे नक्षत्र. बेटे नक्षत्र होते हैं 27. हमारे यहाँ भी होते हैं. ज्योतिष जो होता है हॉरोस्कोप एस्ट्रोलॉजी में नक्षत्र होते हैं. तो उनमें कॉन्स्टिलेशन ऑफ द एंशियंट इजिप्शियन न्यू एज द सोल ऑफ ओसिरिस. तो जो नक्षत्र था ओरियन उसको मृगशिरा कहते हैं. ओके, ओरियन इज अ कॉन्स्टिलेशन. कॉन्स्टिलेशन होते हैं नक्षत्र और ओरियन उसमें से एक है. आउट ऑफ 27 देयर इज़ वन ओरियन एंड ओरियन का मतलब होता है मृगशिरा. तो वहाँ पर जो मृगशिरा नक्षत्र है उसको सोल ऑफ ओसिरिस मानते हैं. ओके, द पीपल ऑफ इजिप्ट कंसीडर ओरियन as the soul of Osiris and Osiris is the god of afterlife for them. Okay, जैसे हमारे यहाँ बेटे यमराज को मानते हैं आफ्टर डेथ गॉड, just like that in Egypt Osiris is the god of after death. Okay, afterlife, god of the afterlife. And people think that Osiris, the god of the afterlife, is watching over the boy king. Okay, he is taking care of the boy king who is resting peacefully, who died so early in his teenage. He was so famous in Egypt in his early age. So this Osiris, the god of afterlife, is watching over the king. This chapter is over. In my next video, I'll start another chapter.